April 11th, year 2018. The Holy Spirit speaks to Wendy and Jillian. My dear daughters, you need not seek outside of my kingdom for the answers you are seeking. Have I not always guided and instructed you, my dear earth angels? Those who have ears to hear, let them then hear. Yet if you do not come to me, you cannot hear that which is the reality, that which is the truth. You must trust in my voice above all others. When you ask a question, I will answer. I only ask you do not change my words. Yet I cannot speak unto deaf ears. You must be mindful in that which you are desiring to understand. When you are still, you will hear my voice, and you will know it is I speaking to you. There is good reason you have not been overly interested in what my children call the rapture. When you come to know what lies within my kingdom, you will be capable through the divine to that which you have not been open to before. Yes, one must be open to receive that which is of my spirit. As you are in me, and I am in you, we are one spirit. That which is of me is there for all who partake in my spirit. As your energy increases, you will, as a result, have a heightened awareness, an increased understanding of the divine entity and my spirit. Do not limit, therefore, what is possible through me. I still sense your hesitancy. Yes, hesitant to truly believe you are capable of so very much more. Yet, you must be open to this increased energy that is here for you to avail yourselves of. Time is of the essence. I have asked you to spend more time in communion with me. In doing so, you will know that which I desire for you to understand. What you come to understand is, as I said, in direct proportion to how much time you dedicate to my teachings. These lessons are designed specifically for each of you, as only I know that which you need in order to increase your own understanding. Please, I appeal to you, spending time with me is crucial in these times. Last night I told you it is imperative you know yourselves well. Do not be so concerned as to what it is you can do as to simply be in the moment. When you do so, then you will be aware of that which needs fine-tuning within. A restless spirit cannot absorb that which I am longing to impart to each of you. Beware of prophets, my daughters. Webster defines prophet as a person who is believed to have a special power. Do you not understand? All have access to this increased power, this special power. Why would I give it to some and not others? The key then is to come to the sanctuary within. This is where all divine understanding comes from. You need no other source. For far too long, my children have allowed themselves to depend on the knowledge of man to increase their own spiritual understanding. Without me to guide and instruct you, your own spiritual growth will be limited at best. There is no other way, my daughters. You have come so far in your journey, and yet I must tell you this is a pivotal point for each of you. You would not be at this point if you were not ready for what you are about to experience. Therefore, pay attention to what occupies your thoughts. Thoughts, as you know, are the basis for one's emotion. As your higher consciousness increases, you will respond according to your level of awareness. That which is of the material plane will capture less and less of your attention. Feed your souls as never before. Allow your sixth sense, your divine instinct, to become now an active part of your daily lives. Moment by moment, you are being made anew as you absorb that which is of my kingdom. You will be experiencing that which is of a higher plane. As you transcend, you will indeed experience that which is there for you to avail yourselves of. Do not seek the mystical, rather seek that which is of my spirit. Remember, Webster defines mystical as having a divine or sacred significance that surpasses natural human apprehension. You are wondering why I say this. Too often, my children seek that which is the miraculous, and in doing so, create barriers to that which is necessary in order to experience that which is of my spirit. In direct proportion, then, to your understanding, the human apprehension will indeed dissipate as your higher consciousness emerges.
Thank you for listening to our video message number 150 from the Holy Spirit. These messages have been written specifically for these times to teach, inform, inspire, and nurture your soul. For more information on ABBA and Company, our original Earth Angels book, as well as listen to our little book series, go to our website at www.earthangelsbook.com. Please subscribe to our channel and share with your friends, family, or another in need. May God bless, protect, and guide you and your loved ones in these times.